Good evening, sir.
So, good evening, my dear friends
Good.
from my wonderful country, Bharat.
Thank you,
And every
sir.
day we have been coming on this platform to practice our English more than two months. And today is a
Thank you.
wonderful topic. I'm so excited for this topic because many years ago, I joined one self-development program, and when I studied about the self-esteem, I was I was thrilled. Then I changed my life. Uh, I changed my perspective of my life, and I started making progress. I think you are also energetic for this topic, and you have started thinking about you. So let me invite our today's speaker, Ashok Maurya. So I would like to hand over this
Yeah,
program to Ashok Maurya. Yeah.
yeah, thank you, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very pleasant evening to one and all. I, Ashok Maurya from my state Uttar Pradesh and a great country, India, your friend and host of today's session. I express wholehearted gratitude to respected Prakash, sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity. Before we started this session, I need permission of Director of Vikan Institute. Sir, please permit me to start today's session.
Yes, permission is granted, my dear friend.
Thank you so much, sir. We are really fortunate to have you support. Without you, all this would not have been possible. I am extremely honored to have the chance to conduct this session. Now, I would like to request Mr. Rajkumar to formally welcome today's session.
Thank you, Ashok, sir. It's my privilege to welcome all the participants. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I appreciate your interest in exploring the opportunities in this lockdown period by joining our online session organized by Weekend Institute. All the participants are hearty welcome to our program. I am so happy to see you together here. I hope the discussion on today's topic like what is self-esteem, low self-esteem, and how to build up high self-esteem will be great and successful. I hope all of you will enjoy the session. Have a good time. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Ashok sir.
Thank you, Rajkumar, sir. We feel honored to have with us respected judges who will provide feedback to all speakers and Miss Nidhi ma'am as a timekeeper. Before further proceeding, it's my humble request to all of you, please mute your audios for a smoothly running of the session. As Rajkumar sir has told, today's topic is about self-esteem. So, sir, I request you please uh, provide me today's speaker's name so that I can invite them.
Yeah, I have already sent you in your private chat. Just check it in message, means private chat. Have you
Yeah,
got?
yeah, sir. Thank you, sir. So now I would like to invite our first speaker, Mr. Sahil Kumar Joshi, to throw some light on today's topic. Mr. Sahil Kumar Joshi, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello. Uh, Good evening, friend, and also respected sir. Good evening. Today's topic is self-esteem. Means Atma Viswas. Like so, we are taught for childhood to important. It is for us maintain your self-esteem. Many such stories are heard and read the story of country like India in which even the greatest Surman's Sant has sacrificed his life to save self-esteem. Still, it is often a difficult maintain self-respect in life. There are many stages in life uh, when struggle to maintain self-esteem. and sometime you may have to pay the hug price of maintain it, and many time of you have to pay the hug price of maintain it. So balance is every stop to every relationship in life. Maintain your self esteem and running the life uninterrupted provides real difficult time. So it is you can say self esteem is a process, is not a and a event. It is a measure to of how much you value and respected and feeling confident about yourself. There are different type of between self esteem and confidence, because confidence talk about trust and confidence, and while self esteem means talk about your through and views. There are three type of self esteem, like infrared self esteem, high self esteem, and low self esteem. Like first is like high self esteem. High self esteem people with a high self esteem like have very good opinion about themselves. Their self esteem is even the work they do and the way of interact with other. And the low esteem means some time of like thinking negatively about themselves. They may feel that they cannot be compared to other, as they understand themselves. Stress, sadness can be seen relationship of people. So that is the meaning of stress and unstress, self stress. That's it.
Yeah,
Hello.
thank you, Sahil sir. Now I would like to invite judges. Sir, today who are going to give feedback? May I know names
Yeah,
of judges?
Nageshwar is our today's judge as
Okay,
usual.
sir.
Kalpana madam is also here.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then you can also
So
invite
I would
Ida
like.
Rani as a judge. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So I would like to invite Nageshwar Rao sir to give feedback to Mr. Sahil
Thank
Kumar.
you, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, each and everyone has self-esteem. Self-esteem is nothing but our thought process. What we thought, we do. That is the thing we have to understand. If we think good things, we do good. If we think bad things, we do bad. Mr.
Nageswar Rao sir,
Sahil Kumar
excuse
Joshi.
me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to give feedback actually.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
Okay,
Sahil Kumar
okay.
Joshi spoke about high self-esteem and low self-esteem. Yes, he spoke very nicely about low and high self-esteem. When we have low self-esteem, we think two thoughts. If we have a high self-esteem, we like confidence. He spoke very well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback. Uh, Nobody is born a winner. To be a winner, one must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. With these lines, I would like to invite our next speaker, Mr. Yogesh Mishra, sir, to uh, express his views on today's topic.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashok Sureji. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. Today topic is self-esteem. And actually, what is the self-esteem? I want to correct Sahil, sir. It's not a Atmavishwas, it's a Atma-Samman. And how will you describe it? What is your respect in your own eyes? That's the self-esteem, and it is categorized in a third point, just like low self-esteem, medium self-esteem, and high self-esteem. What is low self-esteem? Is like uh, there is no neither logical things or neither ethical. We are doing that. That is comes under the low self-esteem. And what is the medium self-esteem? And medium self-esteem is like we know it is legally okay, but our heart is not allowing us to do that. That comes in a medium, and we are doing after that. We are doing that. That's come under medium self-esteem. And high self-esteem is like we know that we are doing that because our heart is saying that. Means legally is also okay and ethically is also okay. After that we are doing that thing, that is some high self-esteem. And uh, if you are how to build up high self-esteem is like we have the 6 points what we have searched. I want to share with you. Like first one is the living consciously, means taking control of your life. You have to embrace the truth even it is the bitter. And second point is the self acceptance, means accept yourself, how whatever you have or whatever your words or your heart says to you, just do that. Don't go to the other person what are they saying about you. Okay, the third point is the practice of self responsibility. uh, Means we have to take the responsibility for yourself. Then what we should do or what should we not to do. Just it's about yourself. We are talking about yourself, not to take the decision by the other person. The fourth one is the practice of self assertiveness, means express your thought, express your views in a positive way. Don't press yourself by someone saying a negative for you. Okay. And fifth one is the practice of living purposefully, means we all are here for the some purpose. Then sorry, when we are practicing for something purposefully, then we also get some self esteem. And last point is the practice of personal integrity, means listen. Personal integrity means listen inner voice, not the other person what are they saying. Just whatever you want to do, first first talk with yourself. It is right, it is ethical, we should do that like that. Means if you say the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. That's the thought. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
wonderful.
you, sir.
Really, put your
Yeah,
hands
sir.
together to appreciate his speech. Really, excellent, excellent work, Mr.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure for me. I got compliment from you.
Yeah, you have
It's really
explained
nice.
Thank you.
explained very well.
You explained very well.
So now
Covered all, covered all things.
I request Mrs. Ilarani ma'am to please give feedback to Mr. Yogesh Mishra sir.
Thank you also. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Yes, sir already given his opinion on, I forget his name.
Yogesh
Yogesh
Mishra.
Mishra.
Yogesh, sir. Yes. So, yes, he prepared very well. So, he explained everything. Yeah, it's a very nice explanation. Very good. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you ma'am for your valuable feedback.
Yeah.
Now I would like to request our next speaker, Mr. Prabhakar sir, to speak about today's topic, self-esteem. Yeah, Prabhakar sir.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Good evening, sir. I'm very happy to first time I join with you, sir.
Okay, it's our pleasure to join with you also. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, many times I try to throw your email ID. I'm very happy to today I joined to you. I see in your space. First of all, I introduce myself. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Just I take a 1 minute.
Yeah.
I actually I'm came from Karnataka. I am working in as a teacher, English and social science teacher in Arunachal Pradesh, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya.
Oh, that's good.
I-
Wonderful.
Yes,
Nice, sir.
I inspire Prakash sir speech when you speaking with Kamli people. That's why I am very happy. Today's topic I am going to. I'm not wasting the time. I am going to discuss the topic. Hello, audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, you are audible.
Yes,
you
sir.
are
Thank you
audible.
very much. Self-esteem. Self-esteem is we have to respect ourselves.
Hmm.
We have to respect ourselves and go forward with together. Either work, either study, either respect to the people, one person to other person. Take for example, our Prakash sir from the Gujarat, he is doing a good job for our India, because of the each people. Whenever India, everywhere not a rich man, they don't have money, because of the we cannot pay the money. Sir is doing a good job for us, free hosting with the Zoom and big dayas with us. It's a very happy to pleasure to meet you, sir. I am very happy and continue this program. Thank you very much.
Okay, and thank you very much. And you can join us all time because you are also teacher. You can inspire us also. You have a lot of experience to teach. So keep coming on this platform, okay? And share your experience.
Yeah, 20 years experience in teaching profession, sir.
Oh, wonderful.
Wow,
I'm
nice.
Wow.
I'm teaching English and social science.
Oh,
Actually, I studied Ramakrishna Ashrama in Mysore.
oh, wonderful.
I am background of Ramakrishna institutions, which are situated in Belur Math, Kolkata.
Hmm. So,
Totally, I am very happy, sir.
Yeah, I can
It's
see
nice.
politeness in your behavior also, in your voice also. That's why. Okay,
So we are.
I request all
Tell me,
speakers.
sir.
I request all speakers. Sometimes they have complaints or you don't send me email, but okay, but you have to send me email to get ID and password, because I get
Okay.
hundreds of or 50 of emails. How can I read all this? Just I reply you, okay? I just send IDs and password in your reply. I cannot find out today someone has forgotten. I have not sent the email to this person. So if you send me email, then in the reply I will send you ID and password.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
sorry
sure,
for the
sir.
disturbance, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also, sir, you are also Sanskrit. I think Sanskrit teacher. You are teaching English also,
Definitely.
right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard about when you were talking in the Cambly. I heard about your interviews.
Yeah, because they always ask me one question, what do you do? Then I never speak lie. They have to say I teach English and Sanskrit. This is the reality.
Yeah.
And all time they ask the same question. Sometimes I'm fed up with this question, but I have to reply those people.
One thing, sir, here actually in our schools also many Sanskrit teachers are there.
Oh.
They are very hesitation to talking, speaking, always very eager to speaking English. That's why today I mention your name. Prakash Lal, sir, like this from the Gujarat, he is always speaking with Cambly. He is a good speaker. You have to speak, open your mouth like that. I have to inform each and everyone. I give on to take an example for yours.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have heard about the Vivekananda Kendra, sir, which are situated in Kanyakumari?
Yeah, I have already visited.
Oh, okay, very good. That under organization I am working.
Oh, that's good, wonderful.
You can do your work.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. You continue.
Ashok
Sorry
Maurya.
for the disturbance.
Yeah, thank you, Prabhakar sir, for your valuable speech. And now I would like to invite Kalpana ma'am for feedback. Kalpana
Hello,
ma'am.
sir. Good evening. Good evening to all of you. Prabhakar, sir. First of all,
Yes, tell me.
I would like to. Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. First of all, I would like to welcome you on our platform. You are a teacher. That's a very nice to be joined with us and enhance our family. Yes, you are exactly. You are right that we all are lucky that Prakash sir motivates us and nicely, and we all are lucky. And you are welcome here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The strongest factor for success is self-esteem. Believing you can do it, believing you deserve it, believing you will get it. Now, I would like to invite our next speaker, Shubhashri ma'am, to speak on today's topic.
Thank you,
Shubhashri
Asad.
ma'am.
Thank you. Okay,
Yeah,
now,
welcome.
good evening, all. Now I'm going to the topic self-esteem. What is self-esteem? Uh, how we feel about ourselves, that is called self-esteem. That is, otherwise, I can say this is self-concept. What we think about ourselves. Now I'm going to the high self-esteem and low self-esteem. I have written down some difference between high self-esteem and low self-esteem. So when you believe in yourself, that is called high self-esteem. In the other side, when you don't believe yourself, that is called low self-esteem. In high self-esteem, you can see your positivity, but in the other side, you can only see your negativity. In high esteem, you can do anything in a positive direction, but the opposite side, you only lead to depression. And how now I'm going to the how we lead, how we can manage, how we can cover up this thing. When to boost this thing, I can, first we have to accept ourselves the way you are. Discover your talent, some and avoid some negative people surrounding on you. Sometimes they suggest, they will demotivate us and let us down. So these are the main thing we can overcome from these circumstances. And last, I would like to thank sir. Nowadays everywhere is negativity due to corona and other things that's going on, but sir, Prakash sir has created an environment for us. This is called real high self-esteem. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You have explained very well. Now I would
Thank
invite
you,
to
Asad.
now I would invite our judges, Mr. Nageshwar Rao sir, to give you feedback.
Thank you, sir. Subhashri ma'am spoke well about so what is high self-esteem and low self-esteem. If we have believe ourselves and we have the capability, we have the confidence, that is high self-esteem, and low we don't have any believeness in ourselves, that is low self-esteem. Spoke very nice. And so when we accept ourselves, when we motivate ourselves, that is to helpful to us. So he spoke well, and also said about sir, that the high self esteem. Very nice, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Now I would like to invite our next speaker, Mr. Nityanandan Burman, sir, for his
Okay,
speech.
thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir,
Very good.
to give me this opportunity. Self-esteem. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem means what we think about ourselves, uh, what we feel and think about ourselves. That is self-esteem. And low self-esteem is when some people when a people does not feeling well uh, about his intelligence, his some uh, his intelligence and some other kind of things, and that is and also negative negative influence uh, build often build uh, uh, often build low self-esteem and high self-esteem uh, when we think when we confident in things that we do, that is high self-esteem. And how we will build the high self-esteem like is body body health fitness, uh, we can actually build it. And uh, it is developed from our experiences and some influences. So we and uh, and when we some committed when we some when we uh, get some work and then finish it, then our self confidence grows up. And we should need to be focus on our self respect, and we need to be very honest ourselves. And thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Nityanand Burman sir.
Yes,
You tried to speak very well, and I hope in coming days you will improve yourself. And for feedback, I would like to invite Ilani ma'am. Please give him some valuable suggestion for his speech.
Uh, Thank you, Ashok. Yes, as you say, he is new here, and day by day he is improve himself. But
He's
yes,
improving.
the good thing is he prepared himself and try to speak what he thought to speak. So yes, he did good, but after some day he will do it better. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am, for your valuable suggestions. I would like to say two lines. Self confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. So, with this lines, I would like to invite our next speaker, uh, Miss Nidhi ma'am, for his speech. Nidhi ma'am, are you here?
Hello.
Hello.
Audio is not there, sir.
Hello, Nidhi.
Nidhi ma'am.
Then you can invite next speaker then.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. We will invite Nidhi after some time. So our next speaker is from God's own land, Miss Srivani.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, so today our topic is self-esteem. And what is self-esteem? Self-esteem is the self-esteem comes into effect when you believe in yourself, or or what you feel or think about yourself. So we have both high self-esteem and low self-esteem. So high self-esteem is when you believe in yourself highly, or when you understand that you are doing something positively. And low self-esteem means you have low confidence in yourself, or you believe in yourself um, with low confidence, and you will be thinking always
I think
negative
there
about
is a
yourself.
signal problem. Hello.
No, he's
No.
audible.
She
No,
is
no, there
trying
are no signal problem. Please
I think, sir,
joining
your
up. You should
Shivani, okay, carry on.
continue.
Yeah, carry on,
Okay,
Srivani.
thank
Carry
you.
on.
Okay, sir. So this is the meaning of high self-esteem and low self-esteem. So we should try to improve our confidence in ourselves, and we should believe in ourselves. Then only we will be able to do something positively. Otherwise, we will do everything negatively, which our mind tells us. And our mind keeps telling us that we are always not so good and all. So always try to improve your confidence, so that the low self-esteem becomes high. So thank you, sir.
wonderful, Shivani. I would like to invite Kalpana ma'am for feedback to Shivani.
Hello, thank you. Hi, Srivani. You have started with the exact definition and study a lot today, and nice preparation and perfect thoughts. We got a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable feedback. Now we have now we have 3 minutes remaining in this session. So many new contestants are here. So I would say to them that if they didn't get chance in our first session, then they will surely get chance in next session. You can log with the same ID and password after the completion of this session. So
May I get the chance?
yeah, you can speak. Yeah, Nidhi.
Okay. So, good evening to all of you. So, today's topic is self-esteem. Self-esteem means self-respect. So, I will explain definition. Self-esteem is our overall opinion of ourselves, how we feel about our abilities and limitations. So, self-esteem is shaped by our thoughts, relationship, and experience. When we have a healthy and high self-esteem, we feel good ourselves and we have high confidence. And we have low self-esteem, we will feel ourselves, we have low confidence. So there are some factors that shape our self-esteem: our thoughts and perception, how other people react toward us, and experience at home and school and community. And so if I talk about the low self-esteem, when we have a low or negative self-esteem, we put little low value on our opinions and ideas. We focus on our weakness rather than strength, and we saw always our faults. So we have negative attitude in low self-esteem, or in self-esteem we have always positive thinking and high confidence. So that's it.
Yeah, thank you, Nidhi ma'am. Ila Rani ma'am, will you please give feedback to Nidhi ma'am?
Yes, thank you. Hi, Nidhi. Yes, she spoke very well. She explained everything, and the way she explained the topic, it's really good. And his speaking quality also good. So yes, she given a very good speech. on this
Thank
topic
you.
today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am, for your feedback.
Mhm.
Now, sir, it's over to you. We have less than 1 minute. So
Okay.
I will.
So we have to say now, let's see in the second session then. Let's have a break, commercial break.
Yeah.
Minutes.
Sir,
Yeah, okay, okay.
actually, I would like to say something. Sir,
Yeah, Anuj.
why don't you tell about the self-esteem? Actually, I'm listening that everyone is talking about self-esteem, but it's available on internet. It's not coming from inside, I think. I was also reading, but I have nothing much about this topic. So why don't you tell about in the next
Sir,
session?
sir, one point I left, important point, that is I want to share.